We understand that recovering after a house fire can be very difficult, but we're here to help. So here are a few things that you can do to prepare yourself for our services. First, do not attempt any do-it-yourself cleaning methods. Trying to fix something yourself can be dangerous, and it could actually cause more damage, like touching surfaces covered in soot. That could permanently set the soot, and this is something we definitely don't want. There are complex chemical reactions that occur and can cause hidden damage, so let us help you, because this damage can best be restored with the specific products and care that we provide. Secondly, some fires require belongings to be packed, inventoried, and taken off-site for cleaning. You should identify items you need immediately, such as medicine, clothes, and phones. Then, identify items that you need to keep in your possession, such as jewelry, important documents, or other personal valuables. Once ServiceMaster is ready for delivery of your personal possessions, make sure you're on site so that you can be sure that all of your items are placed properly and in the right rooms. With our services, we can make your house a home again. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website.